Hello everyone, welcome back to intelKeen Skills. This is day 13 of our 30 days code challenge, and today we're going to learn abstract classes in Python. What are abstract classes? Abstract classes are the classes that cannot be instantiated on its own and is designed to be a blueprint for another class. To be a blueprint for another class. Got it? And what does it contain? It can contain both abstract method and also concrete method. Concrete method nothing but it is a normal method. Okay? And why do we use abstract classes? What are the uses of abstract classes? Here to define a common interface for multiple classes, we can use the abstract class. And also to enforce implementation of certain methods in child classes. And the third thing is to provide shared functionality. As I told you here, we can create an abstract method and also the concrete method in abstract class. So the shared functionality is also provided by the abstract class. In that case, we can use this abstract class. And how can we create abstract class in Python? In Python, it doesn't taken a class as a abstract class or a method as a abstract method by default. We need to use certain packages for that. We need to import the packages and we need to create the classes by using those packages. What are those packages? Here we have ABC package, which means abstract base class package. Okay, by using this package, we can create abstract class. By using this package, we can create abstract class. Okay, and to create abstract method, we will use decorator named abstract method. Okay, so these are the two things that we do use to create abstract class or abstract methods. And we can understand it more by taking a simple example. We can take animals or we can take animals as our example. Let's create without using abstract class or abstract method. Let's create a simple class to understand that. Why do we use abstract class? Class dog. Your self and def init self dot and all self dot number of legs is equals to some 4, and we can also create one more self dot number of views. Let's take number of views is equals to 2, and another method sound. Here print bark. Okay, this is a single class for dog, and here if you want to print the same things for the another animal, you need to write another class for that animal, right? How you need to write again and again. Instead of this, we can create a abstract class which is a blueprint for all the above classes. For that, See here, first we need to import from ABC, import ABC, comma, for methods, abstract method, and down to it, start writing the class, creating the class animal, and take abstract base class into that, and inside this def init self comma in, okay, any value, and here self dot number of legs is equals to n, and also take x value for number of years, self dot number of years is equals to x, and another method for, which is a concrete method. Here we can make it abstract method by taking the decorator, abstract method, okay, self and pass. This is abstract method, and if you want to create a concrete method also, it is created in a normal way. For example, def let's say just display self and give a print statement, in any print statement that you want to give here only, and this will print for all other classes that you are using this class as a interface. Okay, and this is how you can create a abstract class. And how can we use this? See here, we can use that like, let's write again the class dog, and take that animal, first import that the way like from abstract classes import animal, let's say this file name as abstract classes, okay, and first import that, and in this take the animal, which is an abstract class, and inside that same def init self comma n comma x. Here you need to take super, because we are taking this method from the abstract method, right? Super dot init of n, or also we can take like self dot in this way also, number of years is equals to x, like this also you can take it. These are the two steps, two ways that you can take the value, okay, and again def sound self and print that bark, okay. This is how we can use a abstract class into a normal class, okay. And how can we call this and how can we print this? We can call it in the way like from, let's say it is in some main file main.py, from main we need to import all, like all the classes that you want, okay, import star and create a object here, let's say dog is equals to dog of, and first is 4 legs and 2 ears, and then dog dot sound. Now the output will be like, what will be the output? 4, 2 and bark. This will be the output. Got it? If you want it for cow, and you can create the same class for cow, and you can give the inputs here. Okay. And the main thing is, here in the abstract class, you have the def sound, which is abstract method. And if you doesn't write any sound method here, you'll face an error, because you have two options. You need to use all the methods that you have declared in the abstract class, or else if you don't want this, you need to create again the abstract class for only that contain only these things. Understand? Means I hope you understand that. Like, if you want to create a abstract class, you need to use all the methods that were in abstract class into the classes that you are using that particular abstract class. Okay. And that is all about the abstract class and abstract methods. How can we create abstract classes? How can we create abstract methods? How can we use it? What are the uses of it? Everything. Now let's understand HackerRank problem statement, and let's try to solve that. Let's go there. Now let's try to understand the HackerRank problem statement here. See, our goal is to extend what we already know about the inheritance and apply abstract class here. And this means we already have a base class and also a child class in this. And what we need to implement? An abstract method. We need to implement an abstract method. What is given over there? There has given a book abstract class and a solution class already written in HackerRank, and input is already handled over there. We don't write any input logic there. And what do we need to do? We need to create a class called myBook, which is inheriting from book class, and it will have a constructor. Inside that constructor contains title, author and price, string, and integer. That is what we have to do. First, create a myBox class which inherits from book class already given in HackerRank, and create a constructor inside it. In that constructor, we do have title, author, price. This is the thing we have to write there. Let's go there and solve that. Yeah. See here. Let's write logic in this line. First, class book. As they told us, we need to inherit that from class myBook. From book, right? And inside that, create a constructor which contains title, author, price. Got it? And let's take that from book class, which is the abstract base class. So we will take it as super dot in it. I already explained you about this in the concept explanation. And here in the brackets, take title and author. As they are the strings, we can take both in a single parenthesis, in a single params, and price as separate. Super dot. Okay, here we do have only title and author. So from super, we need to take title and author. And from self, take price is equals to price. Got it? And def display. How can we display this? Self print title The output we need it like this, right? So title self dot title and same print author self dot author. Next, print price self dot price. Now let's run the code. Yeah, everything is fine, and let's submit the code and check for the test cases. All test cases are passed. That is all for today. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe to intelKeen Skills. Thank you so much. Bye bye.